Yeah, I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to open the presentation. Okay, so just now we checked on chmod. Okay, regarding this number, what are these? I'll come back to that later. And which looked into chmod. Okay, by using um, O or G and plus or minus. Okay, if you want to remove, minus, and if you want to add, plus. Okay, R is for read, W is for write, and X is for execute. Okay, and okay, here are some of the commands. Okay, actually these things cannot only be used with ls minus ltr. Okay, it can be used for with any command. Okay, so I'll show you with ls minus ltr, but more than that, let me go here and let me go to cd var log. Okay, so if I do ls minus ltr, I'll create a new file called I'll say head minus 200 MESSAGES messages, and I'll split to as input. Let's say test.txt. Okay, now if I go to good and check test.txt is there. Now, if I say cat, okay, it will show me the content of this without stopping. Okay, it will go on showing me. But how many lines I have taken? Only 200 lines. Okay. Okay, so it will go up to see it did very quickly because there were only 200 lines. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, okay, I want to say grab something in this particular say content. Okay, suppose I want to grab test. I want to check whether I want to check all the lines containing test. Okay, so what I can say, cat the file name test.txt. Okay,
what was grep again? Grep?
Yeah, grep. Okay, grep. Grep means it's like find and display that line only. Okay, so I'm just going to grep in this particular file. Let's say I want to grep Kubernetes or test. Okay, so it's case sensitive by default. So okay, so I think almost every line has this test. Okay, let me check some other files. How we can check is,
Excuse me.
Yeah, top. If I do top, and if I take on top, okay, let's do like this. I can say top top, okay, into test.txt. Okay, now if I say more of test.txt, yeah, okay, it has something here. Okay, so now suppose I want to find all those say information in this test.txt, okay, which contains k block d, this one. Okay, so I can say cat test.txt, then grep. Okay, grep, what do you want to grep? You can give in double quotes. Okay. Okay, there is only one line. Okay. Now, let's, okay, see, there are multiple lines for this. See here also. Okay, so let me try to grep that. So you can say grep. Okay, fine. There are two lines. Okay, so in this way, in a particular text file or in any command, in whatever command you are using, in the output of that, okay, you want to grep, you want to find the appearance of this, okay, expression, this expression of HP. Okay, so you use grep command. Okay, so grep command allows you to restrict the output by filtering these particular values. Okay, whatever you have put in here. And remember, I already said Linux is case sensitive. Now actually, suppose let's take for example more is dot. Let's see what are the things that's repeating here. Migration. Which is the file that's repeating here? There anything repeating? No, most of them are not repeating. I was wanting to see if there is something repeating, and we can use KWorker 2. Okay, let me do like this again. Okay, let's. Okay, now. Okay, now there are more contents. Okay, so more this file. Okay, so system D. Okay, let's try to find this RCU. Okay, so RCU. Okay, so how many are there?
There are 6.
6. So within 6 also, I want only that's having GP. Okay, this one. So I can still say again grep. I can say again grep. Okay, see, out of this output again grep I can say. Okay, so you can go on putting as many grep as you want. Grep GP again. Okay, so it will show 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Okay, so this is how you can use grep to filter the output you want. Okay, and it can be multiple. But now what is happening here is, okay, you are saying grep this one. Suppose you want which doesn't have RCU. Okay, so at that time it will be like this: grep minus V. Okay, grep minus V means which don't contain RCU, without RCU. Okay, this without minus V is with RCU, and with minus V is without RCU. So it should give all the other lines except these lines, correct?
Mhm.
So that doesn't have RCU. See? Okay. So these are the lines that don't have RCU. You see, you'll never see RCU here. Okay. So this is how grep works. Okay. Now suppose you want exact matching. Okay. Exact matching RCU. Okay. There will be none here. But if you say RCU underscore GP, I think, okay, then it should show 2 lines. See,
Mhm.
exact matching. It should be exact matching. The word, not or any of them, but the word should be exact matching. Okay. 1 second. Okay. So this is minus W. Okay. So let me just put in the presentation so that it will be easy. Grep. Yeah, I have put it here. Okay. This is exact match.
Mhm.
Okay. And this is without match. Okay. And this is just match. Okay. Now, suppose you want only say the 10 lines of this particular file, only the first 10 lines. First 10 lines. Okay. So you can just say head minus 10. Okay. See, it will give you the first 10 lines. Okay. So these are the first 10 lines. Okay. Fine. Now, instead of tail, head, you can say tail. Tail. Tail means last 10 lines of this file. Okay. So these are the last 10 lines of this file.
Mhm.
Just a moment. Okay. I'm putting on my headphone. Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear.
Wait. Let me check my head. Yeah. Yeah. Audible, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But still it's coming from the, okay, let me change my headphone actually. Yeah, I want to put it into headphone. It's not connected. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Actually, the problem here is with I'm trying to use my. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's not working actually. I was trying to use my headphone because some background sound is coming. That's why from my home. Okay, so head and tail. Okay, so actually here I've used ls minus ltr. Okay, and I've done the head of it. Okay, actually you can directly use head minus 10, the file name, tail minus 10, the file name. Okay, now
Yeah.
suppose what you want is, if you say cat, okay, suppose you want to display only this field, this second field, user. Okay, so at that time there are many ways. Okay, but we can use AWK, which is the easiest one. So cat test.txt AWK, then we say single quotes open. Okay, curly braces open, then we say print, okay, and then say which field we want. We want the second field, right? This one, first, second field. So $2, okay, and then enter. What happened? Oh, okay. What has happened is, I'm already in my prompt, but why is it coming? The text is coming black. Okay. Okay. Let's say, for example, from this ls minus ltr, okay, from this, okay, I want to say get this particular field, okay, the file names, only the file names. So that is which field? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th field. Okay. So what I can say is ls minus ltr, okay, awk, okay, awk, sorry, single quotes, this one. Then we can say print $9, okay, like this. Okay, see, it printed this last column. Okay. Now you want, say, first and the last one. Okay, so you can just say $1, okay, and $9. Okay, see, okay, this is $1, right? The first line, a first column, and this is the last column. Okay, first column, last column. Okay, so this is how you can display multiple lines. Let's see what happens if we give comma here. Okay, so when you give comma, it is giving you space. Okay, when you are not giving comma, see, there is no space here in between, right? So comma will give you space here. Okay, so use comma if you want multiple columns to be, say, displayed by using AWK. Okay, similarly, we have something called cut. Okay, cut minus D. Okay, so what you want to cut at, let's say, space. Okay, and which field you want? Minus F9. Okay. Okay, so here we are cutting by using my space. So space is not your $9. Let's do ls minus ltr first. So here are so many space. Okay, so space is not the one. We need to do something here. So how to actually space, this is multiple space, so that is causing the problem. One space here, two space here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So okay, so it will not work in this way here by using cut. By using cut, you have to cut and cut and cut like that. For example, what was I saying is cut. No, cut will not work here properly because it doesn't have similar pattern. Okay, here is more space, here is less, here is even 1, here is 2. Okay, so this will not work. But if you want to say cut particular characters, I think we can do that. Okay, cut minus D, okay, minus C, say 18, comma C 20. Let's see what does it give. No, it's not giving. Oh, okay. C 18 to 20. Okay, let's do like this. LS minus ATR. L minus 1, head minus 1. What does this do? Head minus 1, it will give me the first line, correct? Right? Head minus 1 will give me the first line. Now I want to count WC minus C, count the number of characters. WC minus C means count the number of characters. Okay. So it's 12. Let's give 74. So okay, let's do like this. What am I going to do is okay, actually I'm not able to demonstrate properly this minus C. If the format was easy, let's do like this: BI test 01.txt. Let's just do in this one. I will input some values. Skip I a1 comma Surya space 100 to Milim 200 3 space 300. Okay, so in this kind of situations, okay, it is easy to do cut and cut. Okay, let's say for example, cat of test 01.txt cut minus D space is the filter. Then I want the second field. Okay, like this. So this is the second field, correct? It's correct or not? This is the second field, right? In this one, see, second field, right? So I got a second field. Normally, like, do you know what is a CSV?
CSV, no.
Yeah, comma separated values. Comma separated values. Okay, so when you have comma separated values, at that time, actually, how it will be is, it is like Excel. Okay, it will be like this. Here, I can say like this. Okay, skip I, comma. All this will be separated by comma values. Okay, the values will be separated by comma. That is CSV. So this file can be opened in Excel actually. Okay, so I'm separating the values with comma. So if you have this kind of use file, then you can say like this. Your separator is what? Delimiter is comma. Okay, F2 or F3. Okay, or F1. Okay, let's see what happens if F1 is 2. Okay, see, it is giving the two lines, the two fields. Okay, so it will give all the three. So the cut is used to say cut a text file by separating some, say by using some delimiter and extracting the field you want by using minus F. Okay, so this is how cut is used. Okay, we have finished got. Okay, this is redirection operator. Okay. So redirection operator means you are redirecting the output of your file to some other, say, file. Okay, output of your command, not file. Let's say, for example, ls-atr gives me this output. Okay, but for some checking purpose, I want all this information to be sent to a text file. Okay, which I can send to my manager. So I'll do ls-ltr. Then I can say this in redirection operator. Then tmp/abc.txt suppose. Okay, now this file is created. Okay, you can check it. Okay, and you can do more of this file. Okay, this file will contain the output of this command. Okay, so what it means, take the output of this command and put into this file. Okay, this operator. Okay, greater than sign. Now if I do double greater than, okay, what does it mean? Okay, suppose I do again. Okay, this one. Okay, the content will be same. Okay, but if I do redirection with 2 arrows, okay, it means append. Don't overwrite the content of tmp abc.txt. It means append to that file. Okay, so earlier there were only this content, right? Now again it will add this content. Okay, it will not overwrite. When you do single operator means overwrite. Okay. Okay, now if you do ls, if you do more, see, you will see more information. Okay, so single redirection means just take the output and put it into that file, overwriting. If you do double arrow, that means it's not to overwrite but to what do we do? We don't overwrite, but what do? We append. Okay, append, you know, right? The meaning of append. So this one, overwrite. Okay, this one to say append. Okay, append to this file. Okay. Now we do, okay, Linux scripts. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Okay, I'm coming back.
Okay.
I'm going to drink some water. Hello. Yeah, Sarah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So wait. I think here. Yeah. Okay, we'll do a small, say, scripts. Okay. So till now, like we have learned so many commands. Okay, those are just commands. But now, what we can do is we can write programs also in Linux. Okay, those are called Linux scripts. Actually, Linux shell scripts. Okay, now Linux shell scripting is writing a series of commands. Okay, the commands for the shell to execute. Okay, we write it in a text file to execute. Shell variables store the value of a string or a number for the shell to read. Okay, this we'll see what shell variables are. And shell scripting in Linux can help you to create complex programs containing conditional statement, loops, and functions. Okay, so if we have this concept, okay, shell script concept, earlier have you done any programming?
No.
No. Okay, if you have concepts of shell scripts, you'll have some concepts of the programming also. Okay, so it just says, see what it is, a series of commands. Okay, actually series of commands. Okay, so let's just go and create a shell script. Okay, if we go to my Linux here, okay, rm-f sh01 sh and erg02.sh. So I'm removing these two files. Now I don't have any, say, file here. Okay, programs here. Now I want to write a simple program. Okay, so do remember, okay, in Linux, okay, you normally write the program by ending with .sh. Okay, .sh shell script. Okay, so let's say I want to create a shell script called prg01.sh. Okay. Now here, so what did it say here? It's series of commands, right? Writing a series of commands. Okay, so I'm writing a series of commands here. Escape I, ls minus ltr. Okay, comma. Next one is cat tmp slash. What was the file name? Any do you remember the file name?
PRG01.
No, no. What did I write? Okay, the test01. Let's say test. This is in root directory itself, right? So I can just say here root test01.txt. Okay, fine. Now to execute this program, okay, you just need to say like this, means from current directory prg01 okay, this one. Okay, I'm executing this program now. Okay, when you see here this, okay, from this, can you say whether I can execute this program or not?
No, you can't.
Can't, because there is no execute.
Thanks.
Okay, so let's try. So it says permission denied. Okay, so to give access, see mod u user plus x, correct? This file. Okay, now if I do ls minus ltr, okay, see now there is x execute. Okay, so now I can say this one. Okay, it executed. Okay, see it did ls minus ltr, right? And after that it did read that text file, this text file. Okay, that is what I had said in my this script. Okay, this script. See, if you do more and check, see, you can see it first did ls minus ltr, then cat of that file, this text01. Okay, so it executed these two commands. Okay, so simply you can say shell script is a way to execute multiple commands using one single script. Okay, that can be, I have written a program of 1,000 lines, more than 1,000 lines. Okay, so in future you may also have to write program of more than say 100, 200 lines in future. It can do a lot of things. Okay, even your ADO also requires some kind of scripting. Okay, so in future it will come to your use. Now the main say way of writing is, okay, we have to put this thing here first. Okay, sometimes it doesn't work, so we have to put bin sh. So which shell script we are going to use? Okay, we are using Bourne shell. Okay, not bash. So now I again execute it. Okay, it will execute the same. 1 second. Sarah, we'll do like this. We'll end here today. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
that's fine.
we'll end here today, and I'll send you the video recording. Okay, you go through the video recording and try in your. You can try in your Google GCP Cloud Shell. Okay, it will work there.
Okay.
GCP Cloud Shell. So I'll just send the videos. You can take those commands, and the presentation will complete it tomorrow, and I'll send you the presentation also. Okay.
All right. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
So anything you have about, if there's some tax come, just message me so that like I can get ready with the to help you with the tax also. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.